How to scan QR code on iPhone. To scan a QR on your iPhone, first of all go ahead and open up Settings on your iPhone. Once you're here, you'll be able to access all the settings options on your phone. Then, scroll and open the camera option. After that, you have to toggle on the Scan QR codes option from here. Once you've done it, you can now easily scan QR using your camera. To do so, minimize the application and open Camera app from your home screen. Now, place the camera over a QR code. A floating link will appear on your camera screen. Tap on the link. It will redirect you to the site. You can use the same process for any QR code that you like. By following these simple steps, you can easily scan QR code on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.